Guys, I'm back. I can't seem to leave. Here I come over, I've seen all these little mushrooms. That's all them are, just little mushrooms all over. I just look down, I've seen a rock there, and looking down through here. And then I spot there. Looks all whole. Oh, it's little. Sure is. It's all there. Yeah. I'm on a roll today. There's no telling how many's been lost to this creek over the years. Several, I'm sure. Well, I'm gonna try to leave one more time. I'm starting to get hungry. It's going on noon, so later.